How to clear chat history in ChatGPT. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear chat history on ChatGPT. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the ChatGPT app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the menu icon shown at the top left corner of the screen. And now this will open the sidebar where your all previous conversation are stored. Now here you can simply scroll through your chat history and locate the conversation that you want to remove. And now there, once you have found that, you can just press and hold on the chat name, and once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can just tap on delete, and after that you can just tap on delete again from the pop-up menu to confirm. And once you do that, the selected conversation will permanently be removed from your chat history. Now here you can repeat these steps for any other chats that you'd like to delete from your account. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.